Hello everyone, how you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making some beans salad. Yeah, and we are using some amazing recipes like corn. As you can see, I'm trying to get my corn ready. I've gone ahead to cook down this corn. I like fresh items when it comes to my salad recipes. So I'm trying to get the corn ready. I'll set it aside. So guys, before I get into showing you other items on my table, I want to quickly introduce to you beans we are using for today's occasion, which is called gabazon beans. Gabazon beans is also known as chickpeas. I don't know if you have heard of chickpeas. So I'll go ahead and show you the things I have on the table. I have my beans, you can see, tomatoes, cucumbers. Yeah, it's one of the occasion for today. I love cucumber in my recipes. Here is my carrots, my diced onion and some garlic, and then lemon and lime. Yes, chief of the occasion, chickpeas. Do you know chickpeas boost an impressive nutritional profile? So chickpeas contain moderate number of calories, providing 269 per carb, 100, which is 164 grams. Approximately 67% of those calories come from carbs, while the rest of them come from protein and fat. So guys, chickpeas also provide a variety of vitamins and minerals, as well as a decent amount of fiber and protein. So guys, I'll start by adding my garlic to the cucumber, and I'll wish you go try this recipe out. This is a very healthy recipe. It is a must try, especially for those of us who want to lose weight. It's very, very healthy. You remember, corn is here, we have red kidney beans, and then we have the chickpeas, we have garlic, we have carrots. You know what all of this can do in your body. The carrot will help you to have a natural beauty from inside out. The cucumber has its natural natural water. The onion. These are very healthy items on my table here. I have my tomatoes going in right now. Please go ahead and try this recipe and enjoy this summer. You really need to enjoy this summer, guys. Yes, my carrot is going in right now. You're going to see how beautiful all of this will come. I'm adding my beans. I love red kidney beans. This is actually the small beans, actually not the other type. This is my corn going in, and trust me guys, this is going to be very, very delicious. Now the chief of the occasion is going in, which is my chickpeas. It is called gabazon beans, and it is called Egyptian beans also. Go and search this up and find out what benefits it can give to your body. Now adding that lemon and lime, man guys, it was so good. It took it to a very different level. When you add lemon and lime in your drink or your water or your food, chicken or fish recipe, it takes it to a very better taste level, if you understand what I'm saying. So I'm mixing everything together right now because we cannot wait to dive into this very beautiful recipe. Go try this and tell me what it looks like after you might have eaten. I'm sure you come and say, thank you, Gucci's, for this beautiful recipe. Guys, this is so amazing. My family enjoyed it. It was so delicious. So delicious. Look at how beautiful it's looking. Look at that combo. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't it looking beautiful? Go try this. Go try this, guys, and I'm telling you, you will love it. Okay, guys. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. So guys, you can actually eat this with fish. You can also eat with chicken. It's so filling. You can eat with your rice. You can eat with indomie. I actually made indomie for Esther, and I used this to make indomie. It was so delicious. You can add it to your white rice and then you enjoy it.